What are the common claims examples for a contractor's inland marine insurance policy? We're going to run through them right now. Hi, Ryan Hanley here, founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. If you find this content valuable and you're on YouTube, please tap that like button for us. It helps other individuals and organizations like you find this video. Okay, let's talk through a few examples of claims that happen for an inland marine policy. The first and one of the most common is equipment getting stolen on a job site. So you have a $5,000 piece of machinery. What you probably don't realize is that the sublimit for contractors' equipment and machinery in most contractors' package policies is about $1,500, or there's no coverage at all. So you think that because you have contractors' equipment coverage on your package, that $5,000, $10,000 piece of machinery or tool is going to be covered. It gets stolen, which is terrible. It's happening more and more often these days. That's going to have a sublimit on it, and you might only get $1,500 back, $2,000 back for that piece of machinery. And what an inland marine policy does is it allows you to actually set the value for that piece of machinery. So if it is stolen, you get that piece of machinery back at the agreed value. This works the exact same way if equipment, materials, etc. are damaged during transit. So when you're actually moving a piece of machinery, if you do not have an inland marine policy, that is most likely not going to be covered on a standard package policy. You have to add some serious endorsements to that policy. And oftentimes, again, there are sublimits. So a standalone inland marine policy, especially if you move heavy equipment, valuable equipment quite often, you're going to need an inland marine policy. And the other thing that happens a lot of times is because a lot of this machinery is moved in the open air, or equipment or materials, right? Like building materials, etc. Maybe there's weather that happens, or it rains, or the materials get caught out. And in those scenarios, unpredictable weather scenarios, that's another place where an inland marine policy is going to respond where a standard package policy might not. So inland marine policies, very important, especially if you have valuable materials, valuable equipment, valuable tools that you want to make sure are reimbursed to create sustainability in your business. And guys, if this is the kind of relationship that you'd like to have with your insurance agent, we would love to work with you. We're in all 50 states, and so we can work with you wherever you are. And there's a few different ways you can get a hold of us. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com, ROGUERISK.com. You can email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com, or you can give us a call, 518-960-6600, whichever way you choose. We look forward to working with you.